today we're doing a video on my dad's Toyota RV, and he's got a really bad 30 amp power cable that somebody had spliced, and it never really felt right to use that. So we're going to actually replace the 30 amp power cord, and doesn't look like too hard of a job to get to it and everything. Actually, I looked for a video on this, couldn't find one, so I thought I'd put a little short video together. It should be pretty straightforward. This is a 1990 Toyota. It's the Seabreeze model RV. I think these are 21 feet long. But here's the, it's actually raining here. We've had rain finally here for the last couple of days in Arkansas. We're in Bentonville. And so it's been nice. But yeah, this was black taped, and you never like to see that. So we're going to replace this with a 25 footer. What else? Sticky. And goes back in there and behind the circuit panel. Well, and you know how most projects are. In this case, we couldn't get the wire. We couldn't get the screw out right here. And we hit it with some blaster, and we still couldn't get it out. So I had to go ahead and cut it. Gramps is going to run to the store and get a new breaker. Might as well replace the breaker while we're at it. And I'll start running the hose, or the power. All right, it's not as hot as it has been, and it's been raining all day, so we were taking advantage of these low temperatures to get this done. But, it's still hot in here. I've been sweating here. And
it just poured buckets going to Lowe's, but it's just really dripping out there now, getting better.
So we got the new power cable pulled, and of course everything mounts, the white wire, the green wire, and then the black, and it's going to go in the new breaker. We had to cut the line because we couldn't get the nut off the old line. So Gramps just got a new one at Lowe's and just got back. So we're getting ready to finish this up. Everything else is tightened up in here, looks good. Checked everything, and pretty simple install. If you back in here, put the light back in here. You can see the black cable right there. It had a strain relief. That was fun getting in, and then it just pulls back under there, and we'll kind of clamp it down next. Okay, so it's all done. Everything's working. That breaker was, of course, the main black wire came to that breaker. It's the main breaker coming in. And then up here, we've got our trusty little 110 detector plugged in. We got our voltage, so everything's working. All right, well, we got the new power cable installed and checked everything. The furnace works, the water pump works, all sorts of stuff was sort of questionable, and it turns out we are good to go, getting ready for our next camping trip, probably in Labor Day weekend. Give this thing a quick start. Checked it for mice. We had a mouse problem last year that had a nest in there that ignited. We didn't open the hood and check and see that, and had a little small engine fire and all kinds of fun. So the only thing that doesn't work is the water temperature gauge, so we got to get that fixed, and everything else is fine.